Hi, my name is Alex Piedrahita, and I'm going to be presenting my arc length project for AP Calculus AB. So my path is located in Teaneck, New Jersey. It was a baseball field that we frequently played on my old team. And after every game, if we lost, we would have to run 4 laps around the field. So the goal of this project is to determine how long these 4 laps were. So I first used the measurement tool in Google Maps to get the lengths of the straight edges of the field along the foul lines. And I found the lengths to be 322 feet and 319 feet for a total of 641 feet. Then I wanted to find the length of the arc. So in order to do that, I made a XY coordinate axis, and I then plugged 3 points that you see on the bottom left, right at the bottom, and the far right into Desmos, which is a graphing calculator program to find the equation for the quadratic regression. So I found that equation, which is 0.00213407 x squared minus 109. I then found the derivative of that, which is seen right below it. And I plugged these numbers into the arc length formula. So my lower bound was negative 226 feet, and my upper bound was 226 feet. And I plugged in the derivative, squared it as seen in the equation, and the length turned out to be 514.5896 feet. So the total length would be 4 times the straight length, which was 641 feet, plus the arc length, which was 514.5896 feet. And that came out to 4,622 feet, or about 0.87 miles.